So for people with cracked teeth, or they're missing a tooth in the front, and maybe they're wearing a flipper or something, why a dental implant?
It's much better than wearing a flipper and having your flipper coming down while you are talking. It's very embarrassing for a lot of people. Think about it. If you are in a business meeting and your front tooth is moving up and down or coming out with each bite you are eating, it's very embarrassing. And definitely dental implant is the solution.
Could you match it up? I mean, if it's a front tooth, is it tricky to match up?
It is tricky, but we do it all the time. So we have the expertise of matching these teeth up so they blend in and they look very, very natural.
Okay, and now what about a person like with a root canal or a failed root canal? They're going to lose their teeth. Always a dental implant over like a bridge?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And this is your thought? This is your belief?
That's right, because on a natural tooth bridge, you have to cut and harm two adjacent teeth, while in the implant, you're really replacing that tooth that need to be extracted, so you're not causing any harm for the other teeth.
So if one of your family members was missing one of their front teeth, you would always do an implant over a bridge?
Absolutely.
Like always?
Always.
Without question?
Always.
Okay.
Always. That's the way to go.
And then now what about biting, like with your front teeth, like an apple? You have to be careful because it's an implant?
Not really. After the implant heal, it's like a natural tooth. So you can eat whatever you like to eat on it. You can bite on an apple. You can do anything you want to do.
And you floss it and just take care of it like a regular tooth?
Exactly. It's like, it become like part of you. It's you wouldn't think this is a dental implant. It's become like a natural tooth for you.
That's something you said in the break is that people always they crack their tooth on the weekend, and on Monday you're very busy.
That's right. We get a lot of those, Randy. They break over the weekend, and people have so many events during the weekends, and they come up on Monday morning, and they crack that front tooth, and they're really terrified because it's in the smile zone. It's people will perceive them like as less smart when you have broken tooth in the front. So we get to fix them immediately. So
in one day you can do it.
Exactly. We take that tooth out. We place the implant, and we'll put them a temporary crown all in the same day, right on top of the implant.
So do you have to send it out to the lab, or you have a machine that makes the teeth right there?
No, we do it right there in the office.